Hey guys, welcome back to Ark Adventure, guys. Today I'm going to show you how we clean, how we do laundry here in our off-grid home here in the African rural area. So make sure you stay tuned and see how we do it. It is all raw and candid. Raw and candid all the way. Let's head where we normally do our laundry on the rainy season because it is fun and we prefer doing it there because it saves a lot of resources. So let me give you a tour of my garden. This is my small garden and this is the path. This is the entrance path where when you come to a place you're going to see this place. This is the passion tree which you've planted here so that it can get support from that tree. And these are the beautiful plants we have planted at our entrance. When you come in, these are the first things you will see, and you know indeed you have arrived. Then when you go down the drain, just a few meters away, you will be able to see where we normally do our laundry on the fall season. As you can see, the Elnino has really done some work here. It has really missed some parts, but not really that much. So here is the seasonal river that we really love and appreciate here in our part of the African homestead. Comment down below and let me know, would you like a tour of our seasonal river? Because this river is so big, and giving you a tour, I assure you will be my pleasure. As the saying goes, better prevention than cure. That is why I chose this spot to do my laundry today instead of around the river, because I didn't want kids playing around there, around the water, because it is slippery and anything can happen. I just chose for them to be safe and for me to have a sound mind while doing the laundry. It's holiday season and my nephews and nieces are around. As you can see, they're playing around the river. They love it so much they cannot keep away. I can assure you this water is 100% safe for doing your laundry, for taking a bath, and heck here we even swim in it and we have a good time. Today I'm doing my kids' laundry, and the kids' clothes are very dirty, so I usually soak them for a couple of hours before I can wash them, just to make my work easier. As the clothes were soaking, we went out to buy some lunch and come back and cook before I get busy and occupied. So this is the path we used to go. As you can see, it is all bushy, it is off-grid. We're just by ourselves here. In the rural, we are limited people. We are limited number of people. You literally can find yourself, you are alone, like on the road, you're walking all by yourself, Mko. You're just alone. So this is what we call rural living. Yum. Guys, now let's prepare our small snacks. The kids love this ndingonji. We call this ndingonji here. in our homestead. It's actually a name we formed here, and we really love this snack. It's one of a kind, made out of cassava, some minced meat, just something amazing, amazing. I'll make a video about this. If you want to know how it is made, kindly comment down below, and I'll make a full video of how we make this thing called ndingonji. Ndingonji, yes, guys. It is now in the afternoon and the clothes have soaked enough now, making my work easier. I am ready to get down and dirty. Now let's do it. Let's do this. As I am doing my laundry, I can't help but love the sound of the water flowing in the river. I'm so grateful. This thing is so priceless. Nature is definitely priceless. It has been a couple of days, maybe 5, maybe 8 since it last rained. But trust me, when it rains, this river overflows like crazy. This is the path we use while going to the shop and then going to the center. But trust me, when it rains, you cannot even pass through this river. So, guys, we love it, but at the same time, we love it still. It's our source of water here for a couple of months in a year, a couple of months, a couple of seasons. Just have a look at how green this area is. Oh my god. I mean, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. This is the exact reason why we are stuck here in our African homestead, here in the rural life, away from the noise, from the pollution, from the town kind of life. This is it, guys. This is the life you were meant to live. Each and every human being. Huh? If you agree, leave a comment below and let me know that you agree.
Kuna fiti ini zangu Bota.
If you have not subscribed yet, oh my god guys, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? For more amazing videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what other video would you like to see on this channel on Ark Adventure. Because let me tell you, you have seen nothing yet. So press the button and turn the notification on. Anytime I make a video, you know, you get notified and come and be, you know, Ark Adventure family.